Hi, and thank you for watching this video from Passage Technology. Here at Passage Technology, we deliver point-and-click applications that quickly turn your data into actionable information. We have a number of different apps available on the App Exchange. Rollup Helper is what we'll be talking about today, but we also have Milestones PM Plus, a project management app, and Rollup Helper, an app that allows you to automatically populate lookups. With Rollup Helper, you can roll up any information with clicks and not code. In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to do opportunity whitespace reporting, which in a nutshell is allowing you to have visibility at the account or the opportunity level to specific information about what products have been purchased or what products have not been purchased. It's very meaningful to have this information at the account page. You can see how this would be beneficial for account planning, how this can be beneficial for targeting your accounts for specific marketing communications, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we can roll up opportunity product information up to the opportunity and then eventually up to the account using a text rollup in Rollup Helper. So really it's a three-step process. You'll need to create a text area field. We're going to call it products ordered. You'll need a field on the account page or the account object as well as the opportunity object. Once you have those destination or target fields defined, you can then set rollups to automatically populate those fields. And then once we have those fields populated, you'll see that it's pretty easy to create a formula field to do things that visually indicate or tag which product or product families are involved in an account. And then so you can see how that applies for opportunity whitespace reporting. If you have a lot of products or you aren't sure how to set up this use case, just give us a call or email us. So I'm going to go ahead and get to our demo portion here. So just to kind of reiterate, what we're ultimately trying to do is we're trying to get on an opportunity here for Dickinson Mobile Generators as an example. We're trying to get the description of the product or the name of the product, Gen Watt Diesel 10 kilowatt. We want that information at the product level, at the account level, I should say, so that you can know, is Dickinson PLC purchasing the Gen Watt family of diesel products or just the Gen Watt product family or even a specific product like Gen Watt Diesel 10 kilowatt. So with that being said, how you enable this is the first step always with any rollup is to create fields. So the most straightforward way that I've found to create a field is just to go into your setup menu and click customize and then accounts and then fields and then scroll down your account list of fields and click to create a new account custom field and relationship. In here you'll create a text area field. And you can go ahead and call this products ordered. You can call it whatever you want. And make it visible to whatever profiles that you want. And also whichever pages you want. In this case, I'm going to select the customer advocacy demo account layout, page layout. Once we've got that field at the account level, the next step is to just do the same thing again at the opportunity level. So I'll go through that really quickly here. Just set up a text area field and call it products ordered. And again, apply it to whichever profile should have visibility or just read-only access to the field. Generally speaking, this field should be read-only for most profiles because it's being calculated by a Rollup Helper. There's no need for them to edit the field. So I've extended it to the right profiles and page layouts, and now I can use Rollup Helper. So what I'll do is select the main page of Rollup Helper, the Rollup Helper Home tab, and I'll click to create a new rollup. So for my first rollup, I'm going to go from the opportunity level to the the opportunity products level to the opportunity. So my object that's going to have the field that I created that's the target or the parent of opportunity product is opportunity. So I want to select opportunity in this step 1 of the wizard. And then in step 2 of the wizard, I select the field that I had created, which in this case is products ordered. And then in step 3, I will select the child object, which is opportunity product. And then I want to select the field, which is the text information I want to roll up. In this case, it is a field on the opportunity product object, but it's referenced through the product relationship, so I'm actually after the product name, or it could be the product family field. I'm going to select product name, and it's a text rollup. And basically, I'm okay with a comma delimiter, and that will work for me. There's other delimiters you can select as well. I'm just going to select a comma delimiter, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Because I'm going to show you how this runs in real time, which is a feature of the Rollup Helper Enterprise Edition. That's the paid version of Rollup Helper. If you're on the free version of Rollup Helper, the Community Edition, you can just click Save and Run, and it'll run for your records. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And once I have that created, I can go ahead and go back to the Rollup Helper Home tab again, create another rollup, and this time it's going to be up to the account level. Pretty much the same thing. I'm populating a products ordered field on the account object, but this time I'm switching the location. I'm pulling it from the opportunity field, which had been a target of a previous rollup. And I'm going to click to show all fields just so I can see everything here. And I'm going to select products ordered. Again, here's my source. And do a text rollup again, and comma delimited. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save as well. So once I have those rollups in place, I'm pretty much set. Now I can test that this is all going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Opportunities tab, go back to the Dickinson Mobile Generators opportunity, and I'm going to go ahead and add a product. And this time I want to say, let's say they ordered a GenWatt propane 100 kilowatt. So I'm going to select that opportunity, or I should say product, add a quantity of 1, keep the default sales price from the price book, and then it's going to add it to the opportunity. Now you'll notice what happened here behind the scenes is since we configure this rollup to products ordered, you'll now see that there's a comma delimited list of all the products that are on this opportunity. Not such a big deal there. You can already see the products in the related list there, but this is helpful in terms of validation rules, workflow rules, triggering other types of formula fields to show, is this opportunity for GenWatt? Is it for propane? Is it for diesel? Is it for something greater than 10 kilowatts? Or whatever you need to do to parse this field and to use it in formulas or workflows, you can do that. But the beautiful thing now is also if I look at the account now, I can see that same information is available here under products ordered, which is great. So now you can see how you can get this product ordered information here on the account page. So the next thing we want to do is we want to actually start to tag this, because we want to know which of our accounts are featuring GenWatt or which of our accounts are featuring propane or diesel. So it's really easy to create these formula fields based on text area fields. Just go ahead and I like to use this as a shortcut sometimes, this little force.com wizard, and you can go ahead and just create a new field, and you can make it a formula field, and this formula field can be a simple checkbox, and you can call it propane, purchases propane, or whatever name you want to give it. I'm going to have this formula field provide a checkbox to indicate if this customer purchases propane. And I have a checkbox field. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And all you really have to do here is insert a merge field. And the way you can do this easily is by doing an advanced formula. This provides access to most of the fields. You click Insert Field, and then select Products Ordered, and insert it. So that is the rollup field that we have on the account page. Now, if we just left this formula as and saved it, all it would do is would copy the value of products ordered into the purchases propane field, which doesn't really make sense because it's a text field and we're trying to display a checkbox, which is a Boolean or a true or false field. So what we really want to do is do a function on the value that's contained in the products ordered field. So to do that, we want to use this little handy function wizard here and select text for my functions, and you'll see there's a function called contains, which checks if text contains specified characters, And if they do contain the specified characters, it'll return true. If it does, and otherwise it'll return false. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for this formula, is to return a true or false, because it's a Boolean. So this contains function does return the value that I want. So what I want to do is I want to insert this function, and I'm going to go ahead and just insert it right here. And you'll see that it actually copies in like the variables that are in this function that this function requires. So the functions again are, if this text to compare against is the value of, let's say, propane, then it's going to return true. If it doesn't contain propane, it's going to contain do false. And so that's all you have to do for these formula fields. It's really easy. You can see how you could just create as many of these for your various product families or product scenarios. Go ahead and check syntax just to make sure everything is perfect. You'll see no syntax errors. Great. So moving on to the next page of the wizard. You can leave this visible to whomever you want it to be visible for. I'm going to just put this on the one-page layout that I care about. Go ahead and click Save, and that's pretty much it. Now I can go back to that opportunity and that account, Dickinson PLC, and you can see they've got propane. And that's as simple as checking if a field has a product order, a product purchased. Now you'll notice that if you don't want to show, if you wanted to show false there, or if it did show false, that would indicate that there wasn't anything in the field, or there was nothing in the field for propane. So that would be an indicator of, maybe there's an opportunity there for them to purchase propane. So that's just a quick demo of how you can use text rollups in Rollup Helper, and how you can use formula fields to then extend the value of those rollups. Again, you can use these in workflows, validation rules, formula fields, process builder, etc., to do further automations as well. If you have any questions, just give us a call or contact us. I wanted to mention that there are quite a number of use cases here that we haven't talked about. We have thousands of use cases on our website. Check them out at www.passagetechnology.com/rollup-helper-use cases. And that's a great option for getting support on various use cases that you can do with Rollup Helper. And then also check out the Rollup Helper Help tab in Salesforce within the Rollup Helper application, which now contains FAQs, troubleshooting tips, and a lot of other videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please check out our website at www.passagetech.com. You can also email us at support@passagetech.com, or follow us on Twitter at PassageTech. Thanks a lot.